I'm very delighted to be here in Marrakesh. I have been coming to the Mediterranean Microwave Symposium since its inception in the year 2000, and I was very delighted to see it growing and becoming more visible all over the Mediterranean. It really attracts good quality of papers, good number of plenary speakers who really review the state of the art in the field. And from that point of view, it's really a major development for the organizers, particularly Professor Mohammed Saidi, who was the founder of this symposium.
I've been involved with MMS since 2009. It is a beautiful organization. It is very useful for the region. Microwave engineering is pretty much more Western countries' work. So I believe that, especially in North Africa and in Middle East, microwave engineering is pretty hot, and the orientation of Middle Eastern youngsters' brain are excellent for microwave engineering. Why? Just because microwave engineering requires patience, a good theory, an excellent mathematical background. So at the first place, our youngsters in this area has a lot of patience.
Maybe in the 20th century, research was very geographically located. Industrialized country that was, of course, North America and Europe. Now Southeast Asia is becoming much more important, but Africa, North Africa in particular, and countries like Morocco start to become very important players. And with the change of the geopolitical situation of the world, I think in 10, 15, 20 years, there will be not just one superpower like the US, but there will be a constellation of countries with equal powers and influence. So the pie will be much better distributed around the globe.
Well, this conference is terrific, it's fantastic. The work the committee has done is great work. The keynote speakers are all of great importance. I have heard a lot of new ideas in many fields, both on electromagnetics, but also on signal processing, communications, and so on.
I would like to highlight the fact that, in my opinion, the keynotes of this conference have been of very high level. So my impression in that sense is good. I feel very happy for being here, and I'm very grateful to the organizers of this conference for inviting me to give plenary talks here. So I'm very happy for that. And my experience in Marrakesh has been in general very good. Not only the conference, but also the city, the atmosphere here in Marrakesh. Very nice.
I attended to this conference a couple of times in different countries. And this is my fourth time in MMS conference. I love the kindness of the people from this region, especially Mediterranean. I was in Syria, Istanbul, Cyprus, and also you come here and met some colleague from another university, and it's relatively nice.
Actually, since I've never been in this region so far, I enjoyed having this, on one hand, the cultural impact of Morocco and these wonderful people of Morocco really liked, and on the other hand, the good expertise provided by the people here presenting the talks, and also the very excellent keynotes. The thing I really liked about it the most was that there was some teaching aspect to it, since usually when you go to a conference it's a lot about industry and it's a lot about research, but people tend to forget where they are coming from, namely from the university. And since the entanglement between research, university and industry is really good here, I would say that was a nice thing to see, and I hope that they carry on with that in that style.
It was quite interesting, a lot of interesting talks I've seen, nice people there. The keynote was really good, very interesting, a lot of different topics. Some topics I'm into it in my work, and some new ones was really interesting. And also the papers I have, the presentations I have viewed in the sessions were really great, so it was good. It was also very interesting to meet a lot of people, also professors, which work I've read in my preparation for my work, which was nice. So meet some new guys was interesting, also from different universities all over the world, more or less. So it was really great experience for me.
The idea of starting this conference was suggested by the need to provide a forum for researchers, engineers and academia and industry people to share their research findings regarding different areas related with microwave technologies such as wireless communications, radars, antennas and many other fields. Many people do not understand really what is the actual impact of microwave technology on our modern society. We can take a very simple example, wireless internet, which is I think connecting many people now through Wi-Fi and many other technologies. So I would say the most important technology, among the most important technologies enabling wireless internet, is microwave technology, because all the wireless communications are really done through antennas, through RF and microwave circuits, so which are really very important. We have also many other applications in the field of medical applications, especially for microwave imaging to detect cancer, for example. We have also some other applications to cure cancer using microwave heating or hyperthermia. So as you can see, the scope of applications covered by microwave technology is very broad, and we have really very good impact on society through those applications. We have received so far many proposals for the 2015 edition, so we will decide in this conference what is the next country to organize the coming edition in next year, inshallah. So maybe it will be in Spain or Italy or even United Arab Emirates, who is showing interest to host the 2015 edition.